We have a Chubb Wall safe with a 3-wheel combination lock, and this one is set on 10, 20, 30. There's a little arrow built into the dial that shows which way you start, and the dialing sequence is 4 times to the first number, 3 times to the second number, twice to the third number, and then round to open. So set on 10, 20, 30, starting anti-clockwise as per the arrow. We just turn the dial, doesn't matter where you start, but as soon as the number lines up with that crow's foot mark, you count. So that's the first time, that's the second time, that's the third time. You stop exactly on the 4th time. And then reverse direction, and we're heading for 20, so it's nearly all the way around before we count once, twice, stopping on the 3rd time. Then we reverse direction, so we're going anti-clockwise again, but that little movement there till 30 lines up, that counts as the first time. So that's 1, and we stop on the 2nd. At this point, a note: if you're more than about half a number under or over, then it probably won't work, and you'll have to start again from your first number 4 times anti-clockwise. So that's the 10, 20, 30 dialed in, and now we just rotate the dial clockwise to open the lock. Gets a bit harder to turn just in this blank area here, and then once we've overcome that little bit of force, there's a very positive stop, and it should be somewhere in the 90s for almost all combination locks. At that point, we can then move the lever to retract the bolts and open the safe. And once we've finished, shut the safe to, move the bolts back, and then you can turn the dial. Give it 3 or 4 turns to mix all the wheels up so it's nice and secure.